okay with your hair looking like that?
Yes, okay. Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame, this is my jam. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room once, my hair. I'm real with you guys, you know that, you've seen me before. I think I filmed at least 1 or 2 videos in my pajamas, at least one. And I take drives on Fridays with my son, and we have the windows down and the top open, and this is how I look when I get home from taking those drives. So I was really excited. I have...
Did you stick your head out the window?
No, I don't stick my head out the window. So I have a new handbag from a company I've never bought from before. So this is truly an unbagging of a bag. And you may have seen something like this before because I was influenced by Minnie at Minx for All, and she did she showed a bag from this company, and I was like, I don't, it's okay, it's a cool color, but I don't think so. And then she on Instagram showed another bag, and it got me hook, line, and sinker. And so here we are. I'm very surprised to find that the bag is in a bag. I don't think that'll hurt anything, but that's a new way to get a bag. Every once in a while, Coach gets funny and does something weird like that, but this one, I don't think there's any way to damage it, like in the bag, so that's all right. Open this way.
So how do you feel about cheating on Portland Leather Company?
Not cheating, it's just...
Oh, this is your side piece?
Yes, this is my side piece. Okay, so this is nice. Opened up like this. And the company is Naghedi. See, that's how it's pronounced. So they packaged this really nice here for you. And this is a true, obviously, unbagging. Okay, well this is nice. Okay, so it comes in a dust bag. The bag came in a bag, which comes in a dust bag. So, a lot of bags there. So this is the dust bag. It's got the Naghedi name on it right here. It almost looks like it's crooked, but I'm not 100% sure. The dust bag's very nice though. It's just a nice solid, thicker, like textured or thicker cloth-ish. More like you know, like Louis Vuitton is soft. This is more like a mulberry texture, if you've ever gotten anything from there or something like that. But what I got here, I should probably know what this is called. Let's see if it says on it. That'd be really nice if it did. It does. This is the St. Barth's mini tote in the color Miami Pink. Here she is. I'm surprised the cameraman didn't go, oh, my eyes.
I'm wearing sunglasses.
You are not. So this is one of their mini bags. The St. Barth's comes in a few different sizes. This is the mini. I always like the minis. And then it also comes with this tote. Or I mean like little mini tote in here. And my understanding is this is woven neoprene. Is what it's made out of. Hand woven or something like that. And then inside here for right now, you have the strap, and it's just one of the, I always think of it as like a seatbelt strap. It's just the strap like this. It is adjustable and removable, obviously. I really like this. This one's got like gunmetal hardware. It says Naghedi on the little hooks here. And then the inside of the bag, just take this piece of cardboard out, is just the woven material as well. It's just one big compartment here. There is a little tag here. I think it's just to have the name on it, so talking about quiet luxury. It does have the name on it, but it's on the side and just real small there. The pouch, well, it does have a, like, almost like, it feels like a satin, but I'm sure it's the neoprene. Flat bottom spot here. And then the pouch also is just an open compartment done in matching hot pink. So yeah, my understanding is all the same parts come like this, so you can either carry them like that, you can slip your hand through and carry them that way, or you have the adjustable, removable strap. I think this would be cute too, because I'm not always the biggest fans of the straps like this. Like I said, the seatbelt strap or whatever they're called. I think it would be really pretty with like some silver hardware or gold, if gold and hot pink is your thing. But this is just a beautiful bright pink. And I think with this bag and the other ones I've unbagged, I have my complete summer bags covered. There is an orange one of this that I'm really, don't shake your head, that I'm really thinking about too, because these are pretty inexpensive, under $300. And so for, you know, a nice brand, I believe they're out of New York. And again, real spacious. To get this bag, strap, and a pouch, I think is a great deal. So yeah, that's it. It's Naghedi, well, it'll be on the video unboxing thing, for sure, but I'll just tell you how that's spelled again as I...
Is that a true tote? Does it have a snap or a zipper?
It does not close. I mean, it doesn't have a closure. It is just wide open.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, true tote. I like that. It's a TT. It's a true tote. True tote energy. TT energy. Let's see. Yeah, suggested manufacturer's price is $240. And Naghedi is the brand, and it's Naghedi. Then you get this little tag here too. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. I can probably do a what fits video on it sometime, but it's gonna fit a lot. I can already tell. I mean, this is huge. I plan on wearing it as a bag. They have some other really pretty colors. They have a cashmere that's a really nice color. They have bright orange, which I like. They have some mint or almost Tiffany colors. Just a wide variety, neutrals, and some fun pops of color. My understanding is they also have a line called, I believe it's called Waist Knot, and what they do is they use fabric of remaining leftover fabric from other bags and put them together to make still another bag, so that they use up everything they have. They're not, to get rid of the waste factor.
Is it a bag of many colors?
There are some, yes. So that's the unbagging I have for you today. Just kind of short and sweet. It just came today, so even though I just got done with the drive and no, I didn't have my head out the window, I had to show you guys right away. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. You can find me on Instagram. I'm at James Jam there as well. It's Jame, Jame _S _Jam. And like the video if you liked it. Also, leave comments. I absolutely love comments. I try to respond to everybody. It really helps me get to know you a little bit better, and you can get to know me a little bit better. I really appreciate the interaction. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.